Hello friends, welcome back to the any video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys all volume setting guys. How can we adjust? How can we customize guys? And how can we use guys Samsung phone all volume setting guys? Today I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video, can first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we customize guys Samsung phone volume setting guys. Open your phone setting guys. And friends, you can see this tab settings. So friends, click on guys Samsung phone guys phone sound and vibration guys. Click on phone sound and vibration. And friends, click on guys phone volume setting guys. You can see your phone volume, ringtone volume, media volume, notification volume, and guys system volume guys. You can increase and decrease from here like that guys. You can increase and decrease from here guys. And friends, you can see media volume guys. You can increase and decrease notification volume. You can adjust system sound guys. You can adjust from here. So let's begin. We can adjust guys. You want to increase, you can increase from right side, decrease guys left side. Notification set sound guys. You can increase and decrease. Media volume increase and decrease. So let's begin. We can use and we can adjust guys as Samsung phone guys phone volume setting guys. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.